bitterly cold, icy winds, and for some, even some snow. But for the next 24 hours or so, our main weather issue is patchy fog. It certainly has been persisting in many places across central and eastern England. As you can see in Newcastle earlier, reduced visibility. So continuing poor travelling conditions for parts of the Midlands up towards the Manchester area and in Yorkshire. Really will be quite bad here, but the fog thinning as we move across Cumbria and much of Scotland, and it will be dry and bright here and quite warm in the sunshine, particularly in the north there and along the north coast of Northern Ireland. One or two patches of fog sticking in the southern part of the province, but largely the fog clearing away from Wales as we go through this afternoon. So out of the wind, it will feel quite warm in that glorious sunshine, as we'll also see around Devon and Cornwall, temperatures up to around 7 or 8 degrees, and quite a beautiful late November day across much of southern England, but still one or two fog patches you notice across East Anglia. So through this evening and overnight, that fog once again becomes quite widespread across many parts of England, eastern Wales, southern Scotland and Northern Ireland. And with pockets of frost too, we could see some ice on treated roads and also pavements. But the one exception is the far north of Scotland, quite mild here with that band of cloud and rain just starting to edge into the Northern Isles by the end of the night, and then drifting a little bit further south during the day on Wednesday into northern Scotland. Elsewhere though, it's dry, and where the fog clears, it will be bright. The sunshine will be quite warm once again, but it'll be cold and grey with the fog sticks. Temperatures only around 5 or 7 degrees at best. Now it's this band of cloud and rain that eventually is going to bring in those icy winds later on in the week. It's linked to this weather front here, which will sweep southwards during Wednesday night in towards Thursday. So behind it, we're going to see some very cold air during Thursday across Scotland, Northern Ireland, some significant snowfall across northern and eastern areas. And just look at those cold temperatures, a little bit milder across England and Wales. But through Thursday night into Friday, we see that icy blast of strong winds coming in from the north and the snow draped, particularly across northern and eastern Scotland and around those Irish Sea coast. The tightly packed isobars indicating how strong those winds are going to be. So it's going to be pretty wintry across northern and eastern Scotland, parts of Northern Ireland into western Wales and southwest England, also the extreme eastern part of Scotland and eastern England as we head in towards the end of the week. So of course the Met Office is giving you a heads up of this, as we could see some travel disruption due to blizzards, particularly in the north, as well as those icy winds. Back to you, Anna.
Thank you, Penny.